In an age where digital documentation often takes center stage, the need for a reliable and cost-effective printer remains undeniable. Whether it's not for the last-minute homework assignments, important work documents, or family photos, finding the best affordable printer can save both money and time. In this video, I will be showing you 5 amazing budget printers that you can consider to buy for 2024. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which printer did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video with your friends and subscribe. And if you have any queries related to buying any new printer, you can ask me on Instagram. I have given the link in the description. You can message me there. I will reply you back. HP M209 LaserJet printer, the best affordable monochrome laser printer. HP's LaserJet M209 sacrifices color for fast, economical monochrome laser prints. So those who are budget-oriented users and business, maybe using for your business purpose, interested in printing only black and white documents can go for this. So HP's monochrome LaserJet M209 comes in a very compact size, making it ideal for home and office use. Just don't let its compact design fool you. This printer is advertised with the fastest two-sided printing for its class at 30 pages per minute for black and white jobs. The first page is ready in as little as 6.9 seconds, ensuring you won't have to wait long for the document to start printing. Duplex printing is also supported to save on paper, and you can print on a variety of media types including envelopes, labels, yardsticks, postcards, and even vellum paper. The printer comes with an instant ink subscription, giving you the first 6 months of free ink toner. After that, you can cancel the subscription and buy replacement for that. Okay, so overall, it's the best monochrome printer. Buy this printer for its crisp laser quality, fast print speed suited for documents, speedy duplex printing, and easy to use companion smartphone app for scanning. Brother MFC J4535DW, the best affordable work group printer. Brothers MFC J4535DW relies on large cartridges to make volume printing more cost effective. And home users who don't want to spend a fortune for each color print can go for this. At around $200 or around 15,000 Indian rupees, the MFC J4535DW tank all-in-one color inkjet printer may not sound like an inexpensive purchase, but keep in mind that this printer comes with up to a year of free ink included in the box. Despite the tank in its name, however, the printer uses cartridges and not ink tanks, so replacements rather than refills are necessary to keep running. That said, printing is kept affordable if you opt for the high-yield Excel branded inkvestment cartridges, which give you higher outputs at lower cost. 2 trays that store up to 400 sheets ensure you won't run out of paper in the middle of a job. And to make your paper supply last even longer, automatic duplex printing is also supported. The printer comes with a 2.7-inch touchscreen for control, and it also supports cloud printing as well as smart printing with a built-in Wi-Fi and NFC wireless standards. Buy this amazing printer for its affordable cost per page printing, multifunction capabilities for all-in-one file solution, and large cartridges will last long. Epson Workforce WF3820, the best affordable home office printer. Epson Affordable Workforce Pro WF3820 can print at a zippy 21 pages per minute with a fast drying ink. Offices that need fast prints based on the reliable pigment-based ink can go for this. The Workforce Pro WF3720 is a new printer which is an all-in-one multifunction printer that can make scans, copies, and prints. Upgrades include faster 21 pages per minute black and white prints and 11 pages per minute color print. Epson uses its new vibrant Durabrite Ultra Instant Dry Pigment based ink for this printer, so you're going to get smudge-free results. This makes the Epson This makes the Epson Workforce Pro WF320 ideal for offices that need a reliable, speedy inkjet to handle their document needs. The printer comes with a 2.7-inch color touchscreen to navigate the settings and controls like its predecessor, and it relies on Wi-Fi or wireless printing. Buy this amazing printer for its multi-function capabilities for scanning, copying and printing, fast print speeds for price point, wireless printing support is there, and vibrant color printing. Canon TS302, the best affordable compact printer. Those looking to save as much money and space as possible can go for this, and budget hunters, college kids, anyone who rarely uses a printer but still needs one can go for this. If you really want to put the budget in the budget printer, this Canon model is for you. It's the most affordable printer we can currently recommend you, and it comes with an incredibly compact design that can fit nearly anywhere with the paper tray down. That makes it ideal for those short on space who won't be using a printer much but might still need one from time to time, like those living in dorms or working from home. But although it's super small and super cheap, this printer still includes a scanning function as well as a measuring grid on top for more physical projects. Buy this amazing printer for its incredibly affordable price, compact design, and it comes with Alexa compatibility. Canon Pixma IP8720, the best affordable printer for budding photographers, and overall it's the best one. Canon Pixma IP8720 can print standard photos to wide formats for large prints. The budding photographer and home crafters can use this printer. The Pixma IP8720 is an excellent home-friendly printer that combines great features at an affordable price. The quality is good enough for photo printing, and it can accommodate 13x19 prints if you need wider formats. The paper tray holds 120 sheets, and the printing speeds were around 13 pages per minute for black and white, and well, the Canon claims up to 10 pages per minute for color. Overall, the Pixma IP8720 is a remarkable printer and a great pick, especially for those who need to print flyers and other slightly larger materials. If you are a professional photographer or the earnest amateur, however, you may want a printer with a higher image quality. Buy this amazing printer for its printing sizes up to 13x19, excellent output quality, great for photo and everyday printing. So these are the 5 amazing printers that comes at a cheaper price that you can consider to buy. If you like the video, please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, take care, bye bye.